What's up, guys? Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and I got another product review for you. Stick with me. I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, as you can see, this is a beautiful piece of art. This is from Royer Blacksmithing, Zachary Royer, handcrafted camp axe. Alright, so this thing is a piece of art. It feels so good. Perfect in the hands. For me, I believe this is the 28-inch handle on it. Fits perfect for a camp axe to me. Armpit to end of hand, I can grip the head. Beautiful craftsmanship for a hand-forged head and handcrafted sheath. Has a razor sharp edge. And look at the geometry of the head. This thing wants to tear through some wood. It does have a convex grind on the end, but it's not such a steep convex that it doesn't want to bite in. Just a beautiful, beautiful piece of work. I can't say enough. When I got this thing, I just kept staring at it. I was so excited about this axe. It is the most beautiful axe I have ever owned, and it is perfect for camping. It's not too heavy. Got a 2-pound head, 28-inch handle. He has longer options as well. And sorry, I thought I heard something back there. Anyway, so beautiful hand-forged items. So I'm going to put the link in the description box. Zachary Royer. It's at royerblacksmithing.com. Telling you guys, I just love this thing. So what I thought I'd do is, right behind me we have a down pine. I thought I'd do a little lemon, a little chopping, and just let you see this thing perform. And I'm telling you, it's a beauty. If you guys like outdoor tools, this is it. I love handcrafted over anything anyway. So, I'm going to chop off this whole nub. That's a big old chunk of fat wood. Alright. Alright, we got this big chunk. I'm going to chip away at that. I'm going to bring the camera a little closer for you. So I want you to see it bite in. Hopefully you can see that well. All right. Got a branch above my head hit here. I tell you, this is a good that's a pretty good sized limb right there. Had no problem tearing that up. Right? It just wants to bite. Razor sharp. Does the job. Let's see here. See if I can get it to shave. It did when I got it. I don't know if you can see those hairs right there on the end. Razor sharp. I mean, come on. what else can you ask for out of a great camp axe? All right, destroys the wood, razor sharp, not too heavy, not too long. Pack it in, pack it out. Great handcrafted axe. You know, axe is one of the greatest tools a woodsman can have. Build your shelter, keep you warm, two ways. One to getting the firewood, cutting it. Second way, burning it. So axe, and really, as sharp as a tool like this is, you could skin an animal, you could cut up meat, you could do whatever you needed to do. You just choke up on it and use it like that. Let's see if I can grab a wrench here. I know it'll do it just fine. All right. Get used to carving with a Scandi blade or a flat grind. Takes you a second to readjust to the convex, but if you had to, you can pull some curls out of that thing to hit. I'm telling you guys, just a beautiful piece of craftsmanship. I'm going to make a protective leather guard for it right here. Keep that hardwood handle safe. But I'm telling you, great craftsmanship, guys. I know I've said it too many times, but hopefully you can tell how excited I am over this tool. It is just beautiful. So you go hit Royer Blacksmithing up, link in the description box, and definitely tell him Scott at Wonder in the Wilderness sent you. And look at some of his forging hammers he has. He has tomahawks, throwing axes, camp axes, felling axes. I'm sure as a blacksmith, if you need it, he can make it. So go check him out, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.